Hi, this is Lisa from Crewbooking. In this tutorial, we will go through adding your own resources to Crewbooking more in detail. As you can see in our video on creating shortlists, it is possible to invite your own contacts of technicians to Crewbooking. To do so, you have two options. You can invite multiple contacts at once by uploading a single file with all the details. Or you can send an invitation to a specific person by manually entering his name and email address. By inviting them, you will then be able to book them directly and add them in your shortlists. In which case, they will be available as a target audience for your missions. If you want to know more about posting a mission, you can watch our dedicated video. And the good news is that you don't even have to wait for the person to create an account on Crewbooking. If your invited technicians are part of the shortlist you are targeting with your mission, they will still receive an email notification and will then have to register to be able to apply to it. In the meantime, you still have the ability to use your resources efficiently in Crewbooking. You have indeed the possibility to edit your invited contact profile card to add his phone number or to modify his name. And if you create a booking, you will be able to manage the booking status manually to keep your planning up to date. You can learn more about booking status in the dedicated video. If the person registers on Crewbooking later on, with the same email address, his personal information will be automatically updated in your resources section, and from that moment, the booking status will change automatically as he will be interacting directly with the booking process on the platform. So, don't hesitate to add your own personal contacts to your resources to be able to use Crewbooking as a free planning tool for all your bookings and to easily find available technicians for your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for another video.